Folks, I got a really nice radio today, the Colt 485 Black Shadow. This is a 40 channel single sideband radio, AM. Really, face is in great condition. Case could use a little work, but really nice. We'll get some pictures up later. This definitely comes with the original Colt microphone. These are hard to find in themselves, but it does come with the Colt microphone. So we're going to fire her up and see what we got here. Turn on our power supply. I'm not going to turn it too loud. And we got some skip land coming in. Looks like the meter is sticking on it. There's blinker working. Automatic working. Let's try our squelch. Squelch working. We got our clarifier. Let's see if she's on frequency. We'll be back. We'll put her on the meter and see what she's putting out. Colt 485 Black Shadow. Alright, so we're on channel 20 here. We're going to transmit over to the unit and walkie-talkie I have. Right here to show you what she's keying up at on the 20 watt scale there. We're on the 20 watt scale. Move that over so you can see that 20 watt. That's the second scale up. She's at about 5 watts. Let's see if she has any swing. One. She's swinging about 10. That's on AM. Let's turn her up and see what we got here.
1111, the Colt 485 Black Shadow.
Transmitting really nice. Let's see if we get some sideband contacts. We'll be right back with the sideband. Alright, so we're on 38 lower sideband right now. We're going to key up just to show you with our frequency counter over here that we're on frequency 383850. Right there, right on frequency. We'll try to transmit and see what we got out there. How about a DX land 222 Philadelphia. Sounds kind of dead right now. Yeah, clarifier there. It bleeds from another channel. This does have the clarifier on it also, to clarify incoming signals. Sorry we don't have anybody on sideband right now, but she is working good. She's directly on frequency. There we go, 40. Let's check it. There you go.